Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Crypto Clout. I am your host, FaZe Crypto. The market's doing generally what I predicted that it would do leading up until the end of the year. Bitcoin continues to drop, which does make a pretty good price available for people who are looking to take up a position. Now I doubt that we've found the bottom yet. And of course, Ethereum, a very, very generous 3,724. But like I said, we could easily see these two prices going down, possibly even hitting 40K, and I could see Ethereum at 2,000. Now, of course, remember this video is for entertainment, educational purposes only. I'm not your dad, I'm not your financial advisor, so remember to do your own research. And of course, this video is just my opinion. Spell token still in bullish territory, as long as it can remain above that 0.18 mark. That would be 1 penny, and then 80% of a penny would still be bullish territory. Now, I'm still satisfied to see that it's been holding up this much. It does show that there's some significant interest in Spell token, and of course, when we look at the news, the doom and gloom, I mean, nothing can prevent the entire market from consolidating if Bitcoin does drop down and meet those lower levels. I mean, knocking another $5,000 off the Bitcoin price wouldn't mean the end of the world. Basically just means that people who have money on the sidelines and USDT, so forth, who are looking to buy, get in, take up a good position. I mean, I guess one piece of age-old wisdom, I believe Warren Buffett said that there are millionaires made in bull markets, but there are billionaires made in bear markets. And that just goes to tell you that people who FOMO in and buy when the prices are up high, well, sure, they might end up well enough in the long run if they can hold out. They have diamond hands and so forth. But it's people who see the 18% drop, who invest lower, who invest more money when the price is lower, who are the real wise ones. Remember, again, another Warren Buffett quote is, be fearful when other people are greedy and greedy when other people are fearful. So as we watch this overall market consolidation, we're going to get into some cryptocurrency news. I just want to say that I'm doubling down on my price forecast for Spell token. I really see a lot of potential for this one. I think that especially right now, more and more people are putting their money into stable coins to try to protect themselves from more losses. Now, I'm sure this is the end of the year. There's people who are making all sorts of decisions for various other reasons. And then, of course, we have the public health issues that are looming and potential lockdowns that we might see. I'm sure that a lot of the market is reflecting that. Still, at the same time, so we've got our regular dog-themed cryptocurrency surges 3,000 after an Elon Musk Christmas tweet. Here would be $1,000 if you put, on a crypto on Christmas or whatever on New Year's Day last year. This one, I don't really like the Motley Fool. I feel like it's a lot of clickbait, but we do have the Chinese crackdown on mining, which is definitely interesting. We need to talk about the concept, though, of new regulations. There are plenty of articles, the CNBC one, which I'm not a big fan of, but more cryptocurrency regulation is likely, and that's a bullish sign. I mean, regulation means adoption, and the space isn't going to get anywhere if it's not regulated. Now, I mean, it is sad to see the wild, wild west days of cryptocurrencies, days numbered, but I think that it's a gravy train that we all knew was going to have to stop at the station eventually. However, 2022, and I think the next few years, definitely 2022, these are sort of the biggest opportunities of probably one of the most important transfers of wealth is occurring right now, and it's happening through digital assets. And just the very fact that you're watching this video means that you're an essential part of that, and you're well ahead of the game. Cryptocurrency hasn't even really started yet. We're still in the beginning of the first inning. I mean, I believe only 10% of the world is into cryptocurrency right now. So definitely exciting to see these prices. I mean, for those of us who are worried, about seeing our favorite cryptos reaching all-time highs and then pricing us out of accumulation, well, never fear, because consolidation is here, and it's come at a very interesting time. So we'll continue to pay close attention to a lot of these different things, but I wanted to look, at Abracadabra, at the just a quick look at the this section of the lending technology to provide isolated lending markets that allow users to adjust their risk tolerance according to the collateral they decide to use. If this is interesting when we talk about Spell Token. The one key thing that I think that we do need to keep into consideration would be the gas fees when it comes to Ethereum. But definitely, if you get a chance, check out the white paper on Abracadabra and as it relates to Spell Token and so forth. So yeah, I'll be doing a more in-depth reading of that in a future video. I just wanted to pay close attention to the price action, and just a wise man knows when to accumulate. You got to know when to hold them. You got to know when to fold them. When you're up, it's never as good as it seems, and then when you're down, you never think that you're going to be up again. But those of you who've been riding with me for some time now, I started making videos about Spell Token around December 17th, I believe. The price was a penny and then 30% of a penny. So, those of us who've been accumulating, at the previous dips, all know that it's just been a gravy train for the past 10 or so days, almost 2 weeks now. So I've been warning about this, the potential for this dip, and this one seems to be correlated with the overall cryptocurrency market. But believe me, when you'll be wishing that you had an Ethereum for $3,000 next year. This time next year, I guarantee that these prices will be unheard of. So that's my perspective. Remember, this is just my opinion. But all that being said, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I've tried to pack it full of wisdom. But yeah, all that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.